Grandma. Finished with the laundry. It's almost dry actually because the washer really spins fast, so it actually does a good job like getting out all the water. So yeah, the sun is nice and out, so it's gonna dry real fast so I can get it inside. Hey guys, so it's a beautiful day in Accra. This is 2 days after I arrived. So yesterday obviously I had to rest, like I was super tired, so I couldn't film a thing. So today I'm going to visit my auntie. She doesn't know I'm in Ghana, so I'm gonna surprise her. I don't know how she's gonna react, but I'm just waiting for her reaction. Yeah, that's one of the activities for today. Yeah, come with me and let's go. Look at this girl. I'm going to put the camera on her face. Epe.
Hello. Bonjour.
Bonjour this time.
Yeah, you can say bonjour.
Really?
Anytime.
Oh, my friend. Guys, this is Patience. She's my neighbor. Like, I used to live in this house, and this is their house. So I used to steal aloe vera from them, but not anymore because I left. But I'm back. I'm gonna steal aloe vera. Do you have aloe vera?
Yeah, we still have some.
I'm gonna get some.
Bye.
Bye.
Grandma. I go, grandma. Grandma.
Grandma! Oh. Yeah, it's okay, Grandma. Yeah. So for privacy reasons, I had to cover her face throughout. So we had just lost my uncle, that's her husband, so it was kind of hard for her, you know. The last time that we met, we were all happy and talking, but now that I'm back, like, he's no more. So it was kind of hard, you know. She was kind of crying and all that. So I just wanted to make her happy. I got her some stuff, actually. I got her some shoes and some other stuff in the blue bag. And yeah, we were kind of like catching up with life, you know, having a conversation of how my life is in America and like the funeral stuff. Like, yeah, we're just having a good time talking and all of that. And then I was just letting her know that we're all here to support her. If she needs anything, she can feel free and then reach out to us, and we can help in any way that we can. So yeah, after that, I just said goodbye and headed to the market. So I went to the market with my sister-in-law. We're trying to get some stuff to stock the house. Things were kind of expensive. But the reason why I was here in this shop was to get some chicken and some sausage. And then I'll go to like the local market and then get the vegetables, because that place is much better than this place. It was so expensive. I don't know, but yeah, Ghana is very expensive now. So I was looking for like a full chicken that's already cut up. So at this point, I was just going from fridge to fridge looking for what I wanted, but it was so hard to find. What I found was chicken breasts and like chicken thighs and all that, and that wasn't what I was looking for. So this was I think this was a chicken thighs, and the first one we took was the chicken breast. So I didn't find what I was looking for, like the full chicken that is already cut up. So I was just deciding if I should just go with the thighs or I should just go to a different place to get what I wanted. I'm gonna cook some stew, make some stew like tomato sauce. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me to cook Ghanaian tomato stew. Okay, so we're making chicken stew. It's very quick and easy. It's pretty much you just need your vegetables and your meat, and then you're good. So yeah. So whilst that's on fire, I'm just gonna cut my onions. video here. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do like, subscribe, and comment, as you know. And bye. I'll see you in the next video.